Hello viewers, what's up today? Today I'm gonna unbox an 18-watt and 20,000 mAh power bank of Xiaomi. To avoid duplicate copy, you may verify this product by visiting to this website and by writing down this verification code, and you will realize that is this product original or not. Now let's talk only little bit and work more. Let's unbox the power bank of 20,000 mAh and 18 watt. So it's the power bank. It's the USB cable to charge this power bank with. It's USB type A and micro USB. So it's the power bank. On first look, here is written Redmi. The brand name of Xiaomi. It's the power button and it's the charging ports. 2 USB type A port and 1 USB type C port and 1 micro USB. Looking not bad, feeling good, also having a good grip to carry to hold this power bank on hand. Here is the power signal. Here is 4 signal. Each signal is meaning 5000 mAh and 4 times total 20,000 mAh capacity of this power bank. At a time you can charge 2 phones by this 2 USB type A by attaching USB type A on this device and by attaching micro USB or USB type C or iPhone and all other phones. You may charge by this cable or with another cable that you have. Nowadays we are having phones that are offering charging adapter of 20 watts, 25 watts, even 30 watts or more. According to that adapter's charging speed and this power bank charging speed in comparison, you may feel different because output capacity of this device is 18 watts only. Another experience that I want to share with you right now is if you charge 2 phones at a time, you may feel noticeable slow charging issue. To hold and to carry this power bank, maybe you won't feel any trouble because its size and weight is not very high but not very low. Even to carry with pocket, it enters easily. Suppose if you have a phone of 4000 mAh, you can load your phone from 0% to 100% for 5 times with this power bank. I have paid about $40 for this power bank in Mozambique. According to Mozambique currency, it's about 3000 Metikash. So if you are a traveler or you are in a place that you have load shedding issue and you need your phone charged frequently, maybe it's the perfect device for you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel not to miss many other updates like this. Let's meet in next video. Till then, be safe.